This dolphin doesn't just jump, it spins like a helicopter. Meet the striped dolphin, the only dolphin famous for roto-tailing, a wild mid-air spin. Scientists think this helps shake off parasites and could act as communication at long distance. And while most dolphins migrate across long distances, these guys also migrate up and down. During the day they dive deep, while at night they rise to feed. Oh, and here's the wildest part. They can even mate with other dolphin species, creating rare wild hybrids with mixed stripe patterns. Don't let these wild facts slip through the waves. Subscribe for more nature wonders.